4.4 The Unsinkable Ship. Warming up. Chit chat. 1. Have you heard or read about natural calamity? Answer. Yes, I have read about natural calamities, earthquake, drought, floods, etc. in newspapers. 2. What are the different possibilities in a long journey? In a long journey, some unexpected things are possible, especially accidents, breakdown on the way, shipwreck, plane crash, etc. 3. Do you know the sea voyages? Yes, I know what is sea voyage, but I have not experienced it. 4. How is the journey in the sea different from the other? In other journeys, especially on the road, we can expect some relief or help in case of accidents or mishaps, but journey in the sea, though seems comfortable, can be fatal if anything goes wrong in the sea. 5. Why should we have alternatives in the journey? If there is a breakdown or accident of the vehicles or anything goes wrong in the regular route, we should have some kinds of alternatives. For example, changing the route or vehicle. Of course, it is possible in the road journey or train journey only. 1. Read the lines given below. Imagine yourself in the situation and answer the questions based on your imagination. After the games practice, my friends and I were hungry. We decided to go to a snacks outlet on the third floor in a huge 6-storied mall on the way. Just as we paid our bill and were about to leave, there was a ear-shattering blast, a loud explosion on the first floor. What was your first reaction? Answer. Our immediate reaction was one of shock, and then we fled out of the mall. How did the public panic? They were in a state of panic and ran helter-skelter to find the exit. Some were shouting and crying hysterically. What did some alert, sensible people do? The alert, sensible people were trying to calm down the people and help children and women to escape from the mall. What was the damage and danger? Fire broke up on the third floor and was roaring upwards. The blast had damaged everything with structure of the mall. The fourth floor was in danger. Who came to the rescue? The police, the fire brigade, and the local people came to the rescue. How many were injured and killed? 4 women and 2 men were injured. Fortunately, no one was killed. What effect did the instance leave on your mind? We were shocked and were still trembling with fear, though we were out of danger. We thanked God for saving us from the danger. 2a. The word unsinkable has a prefix as well as a suffix. The root or base word is sink. Give the root words of the following. 1. Uncomfortable. The root word is comfort. 2. Unhappiness. Happy. 3. Insecurity. Secure. 4. Inaccuracy. Accurate. 5. Independence. Depend. Emailer. Mail. 7. Unloosen. Lose. 8. Disability. Able. 9. Disappearance. Appear. 10. Unfriendly. Friend. 11. Interactive. Act. 12. Misunderstanding. Understand. B. Write 2 words each with the following prefixes. 1. Anti. The 2 words are antiseptic, antisocial. 2. Dis. Dislike, discourage. 3. Non. Non-English, non-violence. 4. Rearrange, replace. C. Write 2 words each with the following suffixes. 1. Full. The 2 words are faithful, doubtful. 2. Us, O-U-S, courageous, curious. 3. Less, senseless, baseless. 4. ly, deadly, promptly. 4.4. The unsinkable ship. न बुडणारे जहाज. On 10th April 1912, the largest luxury ship in the world set sail from Southampton in England to New York. She was called the Titanic. The word Titanic means huge. This was her maiden voyage, that is, her first voyage. She set out to cross the Atlantic Ocean and she carried more than 2,000 passengers. The Titanic was like a floating town. भाषांतर दिवस 10 एप्रिल 1912. जगातील सर्वात मोठ्या आलिशान जहाजाने इंग्लंडमधील साऊथहॅम्प्टनहून न्यूयॉर्क येथे जाण्यासाठी प्रस्थान ठेवले. त्या जहाजाचे नाव होते टायटॅनिक. टायटॅनिक या शब्दाचा अर्थ अतिविशाल. या जहाजाचा हा पहिला जलप्रवास होता. आपल्याबरोबर 2,000हून अधिक प्रवासी घेऊन अटलांटिक महासागर पार करण्यासाठी ते निघाले होते. टायटॅनिक जणू एक तरंगते शहर बनले होते. Everyone called the Titanic the finest ship in the world. Everyone was proud of her. She was as tall as a building with 15 stories. Inside, she was like a large hotel with grand staircases, dining rooms, shops, and swimming pools. सर्वजण टायटॅनिकला जगातील सर्वोत्कृष्ट जहाज म्हणून नावाजत होते. सर्वांना त्याचा अभिमान वाटत होता. एखाद्या प्रचंड मोठ्या हॉटेलसारखा होता. भव्य जिने, विशाल भोजनगृहे, दुकाने आणि तरण तलावही. Everyone thought that the Titanic could never sink. They called her the unsinkable ship. The ship's builders were so sure of this that they put only a few lifeboats on the ship. The journey was very comfortable. The passengers were proud because they were traveling in the best ship in the world. They felt safe. टायटॅनिक कधीच बुडणार नाही असे प्रत्येकाला वाटत होते. न बुडणारे जहाज असे त्याला संबोधले जात होते. जहाजाची बांधणी करणाऱ्यांनाही त्याबद्दल एवढी खात्री होती की त्यांनी फारच थोड्या जीवसंरक्षक बोटीची जहाजावर व्यवस्था केली होती. प्रवास खूपच आरामदायी होता. जगातील सर्वोत्तम जहाजातून प्रवास करीत असल्याचा प्रवाशांना अभिमान वाटत होता. त्यांना सुरक्षितही वाटत होते. Then came the night of 14th April. The sky was clear and the sea was calm. Many of the passengers were asleep. Captain Smith knew that there were icebergs nearby, so he told a man to keep a watch from the top of the ship. Suddenly, at 11:40 p.m., the man saw something. He grew cold with fear. A huge iceberg stood right in the path of the Titanic. "Iceberg!" he yelled. Iceberg, a very large mass of ice floating in the sea. हिमनग. आणि मग 14 एप्रिलची ती रात्र आली. आकाश निरभ्र होते आणि समुद्रही शांत होता. बरेचसे प्रवासी निद्राधीन झालेले होते. जवळपास कुठेतरी हिमनग आहेत हे कॅप्टन स्मिथला माहीत होते. त्यामुळे त्याने एका व्यक्तीला जहाजाच्या टपावरून त्यावर लक्ष ठेवण्यास सांगितले होते. अचानक रात्री 11:40 वाजता त्या व्यक्तीला समोर काहीतरी दिसले आणि तो भीतीने गारठला. एक अतिप्रचंड हिमनग टायटॅनिकच्या वाटेत उभा ठाकला होता. हिमनग, तो जोरात ओरडला. Captain Smith fought hard to steer the Titanic away from the iceberg, but the ship changed direction slowly and her side scraped the mountain of ice. A shower of ice fell onto the decks and the iceberg cut holes along the ship's side. Water began to pour into the lower decks. Most passengers heard nothing and slept on. To steer, to turn, जहाज वळवणे. Scraped, scratched deep against a rough surface. घासला गेला, घसटला गेला. कॅप्टन स्मिथने टायटॅनिकला हिमनगापासून दूर नेण्यासाठी प्रयत्नांची पराकाष्ठा केली, पण जहाजाने अतिशय संथपणे आपली दिशा बदलली आणि त्याची एक बाजू हिमनगाला घासली गेली. जहाजाच्या वरच्या मजल्यांवर मोठा हिमवर्षाव झाला आणि जहाजाच्या एका संपूर्ण बाजूला हिमनग छेद देऊन गेला. खालच्या मजल्यांवर जोरात पाणी आत शिरू लागले. कित्येक प्रवासी झोपेत असल्यामुळे त्यांना काहीच समजले नाही. Captain Smith and his crew could not stop the water flooding through the ship. They knew the Titanic was in great danger. The unsinkable ship was sinking. At 12:15 a.m., Captain Smith sent urgent messages on the ship's radio asking for help. "Help! Titanic sinking! Come quickly!" Then he ordered the crew to wake all the passengers up. कॅप्टन स्मिथ आणि त्याचे खलाशी साथीदार जहाजामध्ये शिरणारा पाण्याचा प्रचंड प्रवाह रोखू शकले नाहीत. टायटॅनिक अतिशय मोठ्या संकटात आहे याची त्यांना जाणीव झाली. न बुडणारे जहाज आता बुडू लागले होते. 12:15 वाजता कॅप्टन स्मिथने जहाजाच्या रेडिओवरून मदतीसाठी आणीबाणीचे संदेश पाठवायला सुरुवात केली. "वाचवा, टायटॅनिक बुडत आहे, त्वरित या." त्यानंतर त्याने आपल्या कर्मचाऱ्यांना सर्व प्रवाशांना उठवण्याचे आदेश दिले. A ship called the California was only 20 miles away, but she did not receive Titanic's messages. Her radio was turned off and the radio operator was asleep. Another ship called the Carpathia heard the Titanic's calls and sailed at full speed towards her. Unfortunately, the Carpathia was far away and she took over 3 hours to reach the Titanic. द कॅलिफोर्निया नावाचे जहाज फक्त 20 मैलांवर होते, पण त्याला टायटॅनिकचा संदेश मिळाला नाही, कारण त्यावरचा रेडिओ बंद होता आणि रेडिओ चालक झोपला होता. आणखी एका कार्पेथिया नावाच्या जहाजाने टायटॅनिकच्या हाका ऐकल्या आणि अतिजलद वेगाने ते त्याच्या दिशेने येण्यास निघाले. परंतु दुर्दैवाने कार्पेथिया खूप लांब अंतरावर होते, त्यामुळे टायटॅनिकपाशी पोचण्यास त्याला 3 तासांपेक्षा अधिक वेळ लागला. Meanwhile, the Titanic was sinking rapidly. The crew lowered the lifeboats into the sea, but there was only enough space in the boat for a few hundred passengers. The Titanic had more than 2,000 people on board. The ship began to tilt into the sea. People began to jump from the decks into the ice-cold water. Tilt, move in a sloping, bent position. तिरपे होणे, झुकणे. दरम्यान टायटॅनिक जलद गतीने बुडू लागले होते. खलाशांनी जीवसंरक्षक बोटी समुद्रात उतरवण्यास सुरुवात केली, मात्र केवळ काहीशा प्रवाशांना नेता येईल एवढीच त्याची क्षमता होती. टायटॅनिकवर त्यावेळी 2,000पेक्षा जास्त प्रवासी हजर होते. लोक कठड्यांवरून खाली समुद्राच्या बर्फासारख्या थंड पाण्यात उड्या टाकू लागले. With its lights still shining, the Titanic stood upright for a few minutes. Then, at 2:20 a.m. on 15th April, she vanished into the sea. About 1,500 people drowned. Captain Smith and most of his crew went down with the ship. जहाजावरील दिवे चमकत होते, तोवर टायटॅनिक काही मिनिटे समुद्रात ताठ उभे होते. मात्र 15 एप्रिलच्या रात्री 2:20 ते समुद्रात पूर्णपणे दिसेनासे झाले. जहाजावरचे जवळजवळ 1,500 लोक बुडाले. कॅप्टन स्मिथ आणि त्याचे बरेच कर्मचारीही जहाजाबरोबर पाण्याखाली गेले. The Carpathia arrived at 3:40 a.m. The ship's crew found the lifeboats and saved 700 people in them. They also found chairs and pieces of wood floating on the water. But almost all of the people in the water had drowned or died of cold. The Carpathia was too late to save them. 3:40 कार्पेथिया पोचले. जहाजाच्या कर्मचाऱ्यांनी जीवसंरक्षक बोटी शोधून त्यांच्या मदतीने 700 लोकांचे प्राण वाचवले. त्यांना काही खुर्च्या आणि लाकडाचे तुकडेही पाण्यात तरंगत असलेले सापडले, पण जवळपास सर्व माणसे पाण्यात बुडून अथवा थंडीने गारठून मरण पावलेली होती. त्यांना वाचवायला कार्पेथियाला फारच उशीर झाला होता. The sinking of the Titanic made people think harder about the safety of passengers on ships. They asked why ships carry such few lifeboats and why they turn off their radios. In 1913, it was decided that all ships must have enough room in their lifeboats to carry everyone on board. It was also decided that ships must keep their radios working every hour of the day and night. या बुडणाऱ्या टायटॅनिकने जहाजांवरील प्रवाशांच्या सुरक्षिततेविषयी गंभीरपणे विचार करण्यास लोकांना भाग पाडले. जहाजांवर जीवसंरक्षक बोटी इतक्या कमी का नेल्या होत्या आणि रेडिओ बंद कसे काय ठेवले असे प्रश्न लोक विचारू लागले. 1913 मध्ये प्रत्येक जहाजावर सर्व प्रवाशांना नेता येईल एवढी क्षमता असलेल्या जीवसंरक्षक बोटीची व्यवस्था असली पाहिजे असे निश्चित केले गेले. तसेच जहाजांनी आपले रेडिओ दिवस आणि रात्रीचा प्रत्येक तास चालू ठेवले पाहिजेत असेही ठरवण्यात आले. In 1985, scientists sent a submarine to look for the wreck of the Titanic. They found the ship lying in two pieces on the ocean floor at the depth of around 4,000 meters, that is 13,000 feet. Later, they took photographs of the wreck and brought small parts of it to the surface of the water. 1985 मध्ये शास्त्रज्ञांनी टायटॅनिकचे भग्नावशेष शोधण्यासाठी एक पाणबुडी पाठवली. त्यांना ते जहाज समुद्राच्या तळाशी जवळपास 4,000 मीटर म्हणजे 13,000 फीट खोल 2 तुकडे झालेल्या अवस्थेत आढळले. त्यानंतर त्यांनी त्या सांगाड्याचे फोटो काढले आणि त्याचे काही लहान भाग पाण्याच्या बाहेर आणले. There are many stories of bravery on that terrible night in April 1912. In 1998, the director James Cameron made a famous film of the Titanic's maiden voyage. It is a very sad film. Almost everyone who sees the film leaves the cinema in tears. एप्रिल 1912च्या त्या भयंकर रात्रीच्या अनेक साहस कथा प्रचलित आहेत. 1998 मध्ये दिग्दर्शक जेम्स कॅमेरॉन यांनी टायटॅनिकच्या या पहिल्या प्रवासावर आधारित एक गाजलेला चित्रपट निर्माण केला. तो अतिशय गंभीर विषण्ण करणारा चित्रपट निर्माण केला. तो चित्रपट पाहून बाहेर पडणाऱ्या जवळपास प्रत्येक व्यक्तीच्या डोळ्यात अश्रू असतात. Factual question. Why was the Titanic so called? The ship was called Titanic due to its huge size. What facilities were available on the ship? The ship was as tall as a building with 15 stories. Inside the ship, it was like a large hotel with grand staircases, dining rooms, shops, and swimming pools. What made the man turn cold with fright? The man was asked to keep watch on icebergs from the top of the ship. Suddenly, at 11:40 p.m., he saw something. Because he had seen a huge iceberg standing right in the path of the Titanic. What was the damage caused to the ship? Captain Smith tried hard to steer the Titanic away from the iceberg, but the side of the ship scratched deep against the mountain of ice. A shower of ice fell on the decks, and the iceberg cut holes along the ship's side. Water began to pour into the lower decks of the ship. So, the Titanic began to sink. Why were the passengers in grave danger? The passengers on Titanic were in grave danger because in the first place, they did not get help from the other ship, the California and the Carpathia. The Titanic was sinking fast. The ship began to tilt into the sea. There were not enough lifeboats in the ship. There was only enough space in the boat for a few hundred passengers, and they were all more than 2,000 passengers. Why could Carpathia not do much to save more lives? The ship Carpathia arrived at 3:40 a.m. The Titanic had already vanished into the sea before that. Carpathia's crew found the lifeboats and they could save only 700 people. But almost all of the people in the water had drowned or died of cold. The ship Carpathia was so late that its crew could not save more lives. What two compulsions were laid down for all ships in 1913? In 1913, it was decided that all ships must have enough room in their lifeboats to carry everyone on board. It was also decided that ships must keep their radios working every hour of the day and night. How far had the Titanic sunk? The scientists found the Titanic lying in two pieces on the ocean floor at a depth of around 4,000 meters, that is 13,000 feet. 4.4 English Workshop 1a. Find any 6 words from the text that have suffixes. Underline the suffix in each of them. A. Unsinkable. ABLE. B. Quickly. The suffix is LY. C. Operator. OR. D. Unfortunately. LY. E. Direction. ION. F. Slowly. LY. B. 2 words may combine to form a new word with a changed meaning. Such words are called compound words in English. For example, every plus thing is equal to everything. Some of them have a hyphen. For example, life-skills. Find 4 of 5 compound words from the text. 1. Ice plus berg. 2. No plus thing. 3. Mean plus while. 4. Life plus boat. 5. Ice plus cold. 2a. Read the text and answer. A. What does the word Titanic mean? Titanic means huge. B. How many passengers did the Titanic carry? The Titanic carried more than 2,000 passengers. C. Why were the passengers on Titanic proud? The passengers on Titanic were proud because they were traveling in the best ship in the world. D. Why did people call Titanic an unsinkable ship? People called Titanic an unsinkable ship because they thought that it could never sink. E. What did Carpathia's crew find? Carpathia's crew found urgent messages of the Titanic asking for help. F. Who was the director of the film based on the Titanic's maiden voyage? James Cameron was the director of the film based on the Titanic's maiden voyage. G. Where did the scientists find Titanic? The scientists found 2 pieces of the Titanic on the ocean floor at a depth of around 4,000 meters. B. Discuss in groups of 4 and find out. A. Reasons for sinking of Titanic. Answer. Following are the reasons for the sinking of the Titanic. 1. The man who was asked to keep a watch for the icebergs was too late in informing the captain about the iceberg that was in the path of the Titanic. 2. Captain Smith, despite fighting hard, was unable to steer the ship away from the iceberg in time. 3. The captain and his crew failed to stop the water pouring from the holes cut into the ship by the iceberg from flooding through the ship. B. Effects of the sinking of Titanic. 1. About 1,500 people drowned with Captain Smith and his crew. 2. It made people think harder about the safety of passengers on ships. 3. They sent a submarine and found the ship lying in 2 pieces on the ocean floor. 4. The director James Cameron made a famous film on Titanic's maiden voyage. 3. Read and find words related to sea and arrange them alphabetically. Ship, sail, voyage, ocean, lifeboats, iceberg, ice, water, sink, drown, boat, depth, surface. Alphabetical order: boat, depth, drown, ice, iceberg, lifeboats, ocean, sail, sink, ship, surface, voyage. 4a. She was as tall as a building with 15 stories. Here she, the Titanic, is compared with a building of 15 stories. You know that when a comparison is made between two objects of different kinds, it is called a simile. A simile is introduced by the word as, or like. Frame 5 of your own sentences using the construction as. Write them down in your notebook. Answer 1. The policeman was as watchful as a hawk. 2. The hero's gait was as graceful as a swan. 3. He is as timid as a rabbit. 4. The shopkeeper is as cunning as a fox. 5. The gentleman looks as noble as a knight. 6. The old man is as firm as a rock. B. The Carpathia was too late to save them. Write 3 sentences of your own using the following construction 2. 1. He is too talkative to keep quiet for a single moment. 2. Ramana was too tired to work anymore. 5. Read again from the 5th paragraph. Then came the night of 14 April. Up to the 12th paragraph, the Carpathia was too late to save them. या पाठातील 5 ते 12 हे परिच्छेद वाचा. Mark the most important points. महत्त्वाच्या मुद्द्यांवर खुणा करा. Using the points, make a summary of the incident in your own words using short, simple sentences. ते मुद्दे वापरून त्या घटनेचा छोटी सोपी वाक्ये वापरून तुमच्या स्वतःच्या शब्दात सारांश लिहा. Write out the summary in 12 to 15 lines. सारांश 12 ते 15 ओळीत लिहा. सूचना विद्यार्थ्यांनी पुढे दिलेल्या मुद्द्यांच्या सहाय्याने घटनेचा सारांश आपल्या वहीत लिहावा. Answer points. Night of 14th April. Clear sky. Calm sea. Captain knew icebergs nearby. A man keeps watch. Saw icebergs. Captain tried to steer the Titanic. Failed. The iceberg struck. Cut holes on the sides of the ship. Water poured into ship. Titanic in great danger. Message asking for help. The ship California did not get messages. Another ship Carpathia sailed fast to help, but it was far away. Came after 3 hours. Till then, Titanic was sinking. It began to tilt, soon vanished into the sea. 1,500 people drowned. Captain and his crew went down with the ship. Carpathia arrived, saved 700. Almost all drowned or died of cold. Carpathia was too late. Language study 1. The sentences can be classified into 3 types: simple, complex, and compound. A simple sentence is one that has only one subject and one predicate. It has only one finite verb. For example, she went home. In the morning, near my school, I saw a snake. A complex sentence consists of one main clause and one or more dependent or subordinate clauses. For example, she went home after school was over. The boys found the book which had been lost. Compound sentence consists of 2 or more independent or coordinate clauses. They are joined by coordinators. For example, and, but, so, or, nor, etc. For example, he finished his work and he left his office. He is poor, but he is honest. 2. Say whether the following are simple, complex, or compound sentences. 1. They felt safe. Answer: simple sentence. 2. Captain Smith knew that there were icebergs nearby. Complex sentence. 3. He fought hard to steer, but the ship changed direction slowly. Compound sentence. 4. Most passengers heard nothing and they slept on. Compound sentence. 5. The crew lowered the lifeboats. Simple sentence. 6. They asked them why ships carry such few lifeboats. Complex sentence. 3. Find from the text 2 examples each of simple, complex, and compound sentences. 1. Simple. A. The word Titanic means huge. B. The Carpathia arrived at 3:40 a.m. 2. Complex. A. The passengers were proud because they were traveling in the best ship in the world. B. Then he ordered the crew to wake all the passengers up. 3. Compound. A. She set out to cross the Atlantic Ocean and she carried more than 2,000 passengers. B. The sky was clear and the sea was calm.